So you can see in one of the Facebook messages I received, Garrett, my sales have been increasing so much. I'm finally about to quit my job and do this full time. Helping you guys create results motivates me. And in this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful 10-minute free method for affiliate marketing that will allow you to generate $300 or more per day, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. I'm going to share every single step as far as how to find a good product to promote to start earning commissions, how to use this little known yet incredibly simple trick to get endless people wanting to click your affiliate link, and then towards the end of the video, I'm going to show 2 separate methods you can use to apply this method so you can make even more money. So be sure you watch to the very end of the video. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to like the video right now to let me know. And last, if you want the chance to win 3 nights in a luxurious hotel in Las Vegas, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. This will also alert you of my latest training so you don't miss out. Now, once you do subscribe with the bell icon, click the second link in the description for details on how to let me know you've done that to officially enter into the giveaway to win. You'll also learn how you get notified shortly if you're the lucky winner of this amazing prize. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the very first step of today's training. So the very first step is we need to find a product to promote. Now, Digistore 24 is one place you can actually find products. All you have to do is go here, you click the top button under register now, and then you can go ahead and sign up as an affiliate, put a username, an email, password. Now, it takes just a few minutes to register, and once you do, you can go to your back office and go under the marketplace tab. Now, with Digistore 24, they have all these different types of products such as animal and pets, computer and internet. Now, with this method, this will work in any single niche you want. So if you have a preference, you can go ahead and do that. For the sake of this video, we're going to go to fitness and health, and we're going to actually sort results by sales rank. This is going to list the best-selling products at the very top of the page. Now, I will say Digistore 24 is not my favorite place to find products to promote. I'll include a link directly below. That first link takes you to a free video revealing my #1 affiliate system that will pay you instant 100% commissions. But in this video, I will be using Digistore 24, and I'm going to be using the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. Now, my affiliate link is right here. If there's a blue button, you just have to click it and it reveals your affiliate link. And then I'm going to open a notepad file and put that in there to keep it handy because we're going to use this in just a second. Now, if I actually copy this and I go to the affiliate link, I want you to take a look at what this sales page looks like. Okay, so you can see right here, it has a video, and each sales page that you promote is going to be different. Okay, so this one has a big headline, a video. Now, eventually, after a certain period of time, a button will appear automatically that will give your prospect, give the person that's seeing this page the chance to click the button and buy. And once they buy through your affiliate link, through the link that we've copied here, you will start to make money. So the next step is we're going to actually take our affiliate link right here, okay, copy that, and we're going to go to another totally free site called web-to-pdf-convert.com. Now, all the links referenced in this training are going to be down below in the description. What this does is if I paste in our affiliate link and I click this little circle, it's going to literally convert this page into a PDF document automatically. Okay, so you can see right here, download the converted file. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Now, you can see if I open up this PDF, it's literally the same page, but a PDF document. Now, why are we doing this? Well, what you want to understand is most people perceive that a PDF file is very valuable. When you give away a PDF, people will actually come to think that you're actually providing a lot more value and they will be interested in checking it out. And we're ultimately going to lead them to our affiliate link. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go over to another free site called 𝐏𝐨𝐩𝐿.com. And we want to go to the PDF editor. Again, the direct link is below. And then what we want to do is we want to click upload PDF and we want to choose the PDF we just downloaded. Okay, so I did that right there. It's uploading this PDF. Now, as we can see, again, this is the affiliate sales page and you can see it's a PDF, right? So now what we're going to do is we need to add a clickable link. So when someone looks at this PDF, what we're basically going to do is get them to click a link and then go to our affiliate sales page. So again, the reason we're not just direct linking to the affiliate sales page is one, a lot of sites will not let you direct link. So this gets you around that, but also also it's going to be perceived as more value. So what I can do is I can actually go to text up here and I can type in, click here to watch full video. Okay, now this is black font, so I can make this a different font if I want, but I can also change the color to something like white. As you can see right there, I can make this bigger, and then we're going to just drag this like that just under the video. So you can see right here it has this headline, a video, and then click here to watch the full video. Now all we have to do is click links, hover over this, and then link to external URL. So if I open up my notepad again, I can go ahead and copy this affiliate link, paste it in there, and then go ahead and just click off like that. And then now what we can do is click apply changes. And now it's actually editing what we've just done. So if I download this right here and I open this up, this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's the PDF, which is the sales page. You can see we've added this text. And if I click here, it has a clickable link that will take them to the actual sales page. So again, we're doing this because this will be able to be given away as a free gift to people that's perceived more valuable. And the two different traffic sources, the two different places I'm about to share with you that you can share this PDF on does not let you just direct link to an affiliate link typically. So we can direct link to our PDF and then our affiliate link. So the next step is we want to go to Google and you want to search Google Drive. Every Gmail, every Google account has a Google Drive where we can actually go there. And then what this does is this gives us the ability to upload files. So once you're inside a Google Drive, I can click new and I can click file upload and then choose the PDF with the clickable affiliate link. Okay, so you can see right here the file has uploaded. Now what we want to do is we want to right click here. We want to click on get link and we want to click anyone with the link has access and then copy link. Now the reason we do this is because we want to upload our PDF so we can get the link to the PDF. If it's just on your computer or smartphone, you can't share it with someone. So now that we've copied the link, if someone goes to that link, which I can share right here, if someone goes to this link, it's going to redirect them to the file in Google Drive. Okay, you can see right there where they can click to watch the full video. So the next step is now that we have it here, we want to put it in a notepad file again, always keeping everything very organized. Now, the first free place you can actually start to promote this PDF to start to make affiliate commissions is Quora.com. Quora is an incredible place and basically it's a question and answer website. So you want to first create a profile and then once you do, you're going to be able to answer people's questions. So we want to answer questions in the specific niche that our product we're promoting is in. So for the sake of this video, it's in the health and fitness keto niche. So I can go to Quora and I can take something like keto and I can go ahead and search this. And once I do, it's going to be all these different results, but I can actually filter by questions. And this is going to list the questions that people are actually asking that are related to the type of product we're promoting. Okay, what is the keto diet? Or, is a ketogenic diet good for weight loss? I could go to this question here and what I can do is I can actually answer this question. So all you have to do to answer one of these questions is click answer. And then we just want to write a few sentences summarizing their question and then leading them to our PDF. So is ketogenic diet good for weight loss? Yes, it is great for weight loss and can really help you shed fat fast. I have a free PDF sharing more info on the best way to start keto today. Okay, so notice how we're kind of segueing. We're leading to our PDF and then we can just go ahead and paste in that Google Drive link and then I can just post this. So what's going to happen is our answer will stay there for months, if not years to come. And when people see this question, they're going to see this and then they're going to click, oh, a PDF, that's very valuable. And then they'll be able to find our affiliate link. Now, the last place I'll share in this video that's really good is Pinterest. So all you have to do is create a Pinterest profile if you don't already. Ideally, you want to create it around the niche you're in. So if you're in health and fitness, you can make a health and fitness photo or you can go to Google Images. I can type in health and fitness and I can use one of these photos in my cover right there. But my Pinterest is in the make money online niche. So you can see I've branded it that way. Now we just want to click create. We want to create pin. And then the first thing is we want to add an image. So if we go back to Google Images, I can type in a few words like health and fitness, and I can just find a good image. Okay, like this one could be good. We just want to right click and then save image as, and then save this to our desktop or phone. Okay, then we just want to go back to Pinterest, click here here and then upload the photo we just downloaded. Okay, like that. And then for adding a title, we just want to type in some words that have to do with what people are searching. So if we click this little magnifying glass, I can type in things like weight loss, and then it shares with us actual keywords that people are searching that we can use in our title to help our post rank so people find our PDF. So weight loss drinks, weight loss plans could be good. So this weight loss plan is amazing, must see. Something like that. For the description, you can just write a few words. And in fact, we can actually go back to Quora and I can just say, you know, I can copy that and then go here. So yes, this plan is great for weight loss. Okay, and then add a destination link. Again, we want to take our Google Drive link that leads to our PDF, paste it in there, and then just click publish. And this pin will start showing up under this keyword so people will see it, and then they'll get led to our Google Drive right here, and then they will actually see our PDF. They'll click here to watch the full video. They'll watch the affiliate sales video, and then a lot of people will decide to buy because we know this is a good selling product. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.